No one goes out driving with the intention of causing trouble, at least in theory. But all it takes is one slightly overconfident parking move and everything changes. Today, cameras captured moments where karma stepped in clean, efficient, and genuinely funny. Welcome to Park Time, where patience officially runs out and bad parking is answered with creative responses that leave viewers laughing. A sloppy parking job with consequences that look a bit tilted. The rules are clear, but he clearly had his own way.
That's fine. We can be in touch with
The road has done its part now. It's the tow truck crew's turn, and the scene starts getting lively. When emotions overflow, the car becomes a message board. A six-figure car still gets the same tour as every other one. Park in the wrong place and you accidentally open a free dumping zone. Park with too much confidence and the road is forced to adapt. The moment he stepped away from the wheel, the car found a new parking spot. If these creative acts of payback happened more often, do you think the streets would be more orderly or just more chaotic? He clearly went a bit too far. Simply pulling over would have been enough, without damaging the Toyota. When the owner really wants to park in a unique way,
turn.
After watching this, is anyone thinking about switching careers to security? Illegal parking is the fastest way to turn just parking for a minute into walking home. This prank might genuinely traumatize the owner. Getting mad at your partner like this, is it passionate love or losing control? I don't support this, but I have to admit it's oddly satisfying. Never let your wife drive. No matter how expensive the car is, the painted lines always win. Firefighters turned his car into a giant juice box. The car paid the price for parking in the wrong place. Should this approach be used more often or only in special cases? Insurance companies are going to make a fortune from this. A queen's move. Will the police arrest and fine them? The car committed no crime. It was just standing in the wrong place. Well, this is definitely one way to get attention. Trust me, picking a fight with a grumpy neighbor never ends well. You can't outsmart tow truck drivers. They've seen every kind of stupidity already. I think you can finally relax now. Why park there? You're not allowed to park there. The ultimate solution is to block the entrance to the parking lot. How much do you think the fine for this car will be? He may ignore the rules, but the excavator treats work as a process. You can't call this an accident when you clearly aimed for it. When you park in the wrong lane, don't expect everyone to stay patient. Wheel clamp still on, brain already shifted into drive. The plan was to keep the tram line clear, but today, chaos won. I bet millions of people around the world are watching this and thinking, I've done that before. A lesson in ignoring parking signs. Please pay attention to where you park. Who do you think won, Ford or BMW? And just like that, your BMW is gone. The logic is simple. If you can't get out, crash your way out. She's pretty, so she thinks she has the right. One car refuels, the other refuels, with pure nerve. Parking spaces belong to the law, not to whoever refuses to move. All right, grab the rod. It's time to go fishing. Clearly, we need cars that know how to swim. Oh my God, how did that car even do that? This reverse parking is impressive, but I strongly advise against copying it. The owner thought it was temporary parking. The community disagreed. Park illegally, and the tow truck helps you change address. How people came together to deal with a car blocking a disabled lane.
I got to play. You're gonna be in real trouble. Piece of crap.
Honestly, this is the calmest Karen I've ever seen. Ferrari doesn't lose value, it just loses its parking spot. Next time, remember not to block the road. Sure, just park wherever you want. Really? A V12 engine is no match for a crane. A lesson in parking on tram tracks. This guy chose a very special parking spot. It's probably just a harmless joke. I might skip the procedure, but the authorities won't. The car is in the right lane. The train is on the right track, only the distance is wrong. Is this the solution to illegal parking?
Hey, you can't park there!
You are not allowed to park here.
You can't park there!
And that's another round of parking justice from Park Time. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel because this chaos shows no sign of stopping.